Hey everybody, it's been a while since I've uploaded a video because I haven't really been going anywhere and things have been relatively quiet and low-key, but that's changed a bit today. We've had some fronts blow through. Today's it's almost 1 o'clock, Friday, February 7th, and anyway, wind is still blowing, but it was really blowing about 9 o'clock this morning, and it blew the roof off of this entire end of B dock at Beacon Marina. And there's one car that was parked right next to the building, and the roof is laying on top of it, and it did slightly damage this other land yacht here. And the only other car that was in the parking lot at the time is my Explorer, which is over there. And so luckily it wasn't damaged. But, I will say that Magnolia was rocking and rolling in her slip this morning as all this mess blew through. And it was probably somewhere 50 to 60 knots of wind about 9 o'clock. It's been blowing to a certain extent all day, but it was, the worst of it was then. But there's about probably 6 boats in the part of that boathouse that are damaged to one extent or another. They're not allowing any of the owners in there until they get the roof stabilized, removed. And we've got a bit of a high tide right now as well. So the water is I think up to the docks in there. See the beam, a couple of boards laying across that boat, and I think the third one in, the roof is actually laying on that boat. You can see the car that's in here. Both of these cars belong to liveaboards who are in this boathouse, and so the Red Cross has come, and since they're now technically homeless, and so I think they're setting them up with temporary lodging at the hotel here. And I think if they didn't get involved, then hopefully the owners of the marina, who also own the hotel, would have stepped up and given them a room until they can get back into their boats.
$1 million video and it didn't turn out.
Yeah. Yep. That's the way it works sometimes.
Sorry, I got the one of Francis falling in the water.
Oh, yeah?
When he was stealing off the boat. Oh, I got it right on video. That's what you get for stealing, big boy. As high as the tide's going to get, it should start going down now.
Yeah, hopefully.
Oh, I just checked the tide schedules.
So are they setting you up with a room?
Yeah, they just did. Still got Get my wallet. They think I ain't gonna get my wallet. They're crazy as a June bug.
Yeah, be careful. So anyway, another quiet day at beautiful Solomons, Maryland. I'll cut this short for now. Maybe tomorrow, if the dockmaster said that they hope to start work on clearing this out of the way by tomorrow, which would be nice. I'd like to get my car out of this parking lot. Anyway, hope y'all enjoy this video, and if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button and the little bell down below, and that way you'll be notified when and if I get around to posting another video. Alright, y'all take care.